Welcome to Just Sign, your fifth generation digital signature tool. Our mission is to help you digitally transform your business. Let's see how you can use Just Sign to send documents electronically and get your clients to sign remotely. Log into your Just Sign account, enter your username and password, and click Login. Make your selection of who will sign the document. Just me and others, or just others. Next is to select your signers. To add an existing signer, simply select the signer from the drop-down box. To add a new signer, enter the signer's details and click Add. Your signers don't need to have a Just Sign account to sign the document. Specify the signer's action to be taken, whether the signer will sign the document or just receive a copy. Next step is to add the document. With Just Sign, you can send up to 10 documents in one single envelope. Think of it as like sending documents in an envelope by physical mail, except that your Just Sign envelope is delivered to the recipient's email inbox. To send an envelope, start by selecting an existing document from your Just Sign inbox, or upload one or more documents from your computer, or from the list of available cloud storage providers. Now you can proceed to prepare the document. To add fields to the envelope, start by clicking Select Signer. To choose the signer that the fields will be assigned to, and drag-drop the desired fields onto the document. When you're ready, click on Send Email. You can drag-drop your selection if you want your signer to receive signing request via email or mobile text message, or face-to-face. You can also request your signer to verify their proof of identity with our biometric ID verification service. You can customize to send email reminders to your signers either daily or weekly. Drag the bar to choose your number of reminders you wish to send. You can also verify your signer by sending OTP on their mobile phone. Click here to receive progress notification of the document signing process. Select if your signers can sign in any order, or you wish to set a priority signing. You can also set advanced options such as envelope expiration date. You have an option to insert an attachment that does not require signature. When you're ready to send the envelope, click Send for sign.